Yeah, boy, you see, 28 December, 11:06 a.m. It's windy out here. Not super windy, but windy. About 40 degrees. Snow coming later today and tonight. Tomorrow. We'll go up here and try it a little while. See if I can kill a few. I don't have a lot of confidence, though. Old fox squirrel will probably be out in this old wind, though. Right, boys, we've got some action in that beach right there. You might see that squirrel. Right there. I done seen a fox squirrel up here. Alright, boys, we got that squirrel up there, 67 yards with some wind. I held for a little wind. That tree right there in the center of the camera. Right there, that tree right there. It's 38x, 67 yards. There you go, boys, a little head buster. It's a pretty sharp squirrel. I've seen him doing something I don't see a lot of squirrels doing. He's a hauling nuts into that beach right there, boys. He's going in the top of it with nuts, so back and forth. He wore me out. Good boys, we shot a fox squirrel here. He's almost on top of me here. He's seen me under me. Every day. He finally spotted me and started barking. Now he's pretty close to me. Fox squirrel's got a bulging eye. You know what that means, right? 33 yards. Fox squirrel, he's just moving on. You see? I didn't get no shot at that fox squirrel, boys. He got behind this tree down in there and he doubled back. Where them forky sassafras looking things. Hey, don't come there. I mean, he was moving on. He seen me on this hill right here. He was going to come and get in that oak tree right there. He turned and went around that way. Can't talk too loud. Boy, that was an old fox squirrel, all right. He's pretty close. And then that old den tree, that old tree there's full of holes. I don't know how he couldn't see me. He was pointed up the hill, though. I was up there earlier. Uh-oh. He got a buddy down here, see him right yonder. See if we can't get him. Alright, boys, we gotta get this fox squirrel here. This is that old snag I shot him out. He's leaning right there. There's a walnut tree down here. I've seen, I think there's two more fox squirrels. The one that barked at me, he went back down there, I believe. See that little walnut tree right there with a fork in it? Well, they're down in there somewhere eating. I done seen one in that fork. I was gonna shoot him and move on me. This is their den trees. I'm sitting under here. Let me see what happened to that one. I'm still 79 yards from that walnut tree down there, bro. I ain't seen the fox squirrel anymore. And that walnut tree says that the woods ends out there. Old fox squirrels are cunning, but they'll travel a long ways to go to walnuts, so they ain't no telling where they're at. That squirrel that seen me went in that tree. He might have told that other squirrel I was up here. Now, my truck's sitting right straight there. You can see it in this camera right there. I don't want to shoot it. I don't know where they're at. I don't hear no gnawing, but that don't mean they're not up there. Don't want to put too much pressure on her since the woods ends out there. I don't know where they're at. I was about 99 yards from that walnut tree when I seen that squirrel sitting in that fort with my naked eye. Ain't no shit. Now I'm sitting 79 yards away. And there you go, boys. 2 fox squirrels and 1 gray squirrel, all head busted. I think that's the only gray squirrel I've seen. I've seen a few more fox squirrels. 3, I believe. Temperature's dropping out here, boys. It's cold.